Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. আজি আমাৰ ডিসকাশনৰ টপিক হৈছে জেনাৰেল এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ প্লান্ট ব্ৰিডিং। যদি আপোনালোকে মোৰ এগ্ৰিকালচাৰৰ আগৰ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চোৱা নাই তেন্তে মোৰ চেনেলৰ প্লেলিষ্টত চেক কৰিলে পাই যাব। Okay, now let's start the video. Plant breeding MCQs. First question, cross between plants of same variety is. Here right answer is option D, intra-varietal cross. যেতিয়া same variety হয় নাইবা same species হয় নাইবা same genus হয় তেতিয়া the word intra is used. Okay, so intra-varietal cross মানে হৈছে cross between plants of same variety. ঠিক তেনেকে intra-specific cross মানে হৈছে cross between plants of same species. আৰু intra-generic cross মানে হৈছে cross between plants of same genus. যদি same নহয় পেলাই different হয় তেতিয়া the word used is inter. Inter. So cross between plants of different variety is intervarietal cross, and cross between plants of different species etia hobo interspecific cross, and cross between plants of different genus is intergeneric cross. Okay, so intra and inter ei duta point clear rakhile hob. Next question, ploidy level of breadwheat is. Breadwheat or ploidy level ki hoy? Right answer is option C, 6n. তাৰ মানে 6 set of chromosome আৰু ইয়াকে কোৱা হয় hexaploid. Hexaploid. So breadwheat is a hexaploid. Next question, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower is. একেবাৰে easy question হয়, ইয়াৰে right answer is option C, self pollination. So self pollination হলে pollen grains fall on the stigma of the same flower. Okay, যেতিয়া same নহয় different flower হয়, when pollen grains of a flower fall on the stigma of different flower of the same plant or different plant, এতিয়া হ'ব cross pollination. Often cross pollination হলে কি হয়? Often cross pollinated plants বোৰ generally self pollinated হয়. Okay, আৰু এই self pollinated plants বোৰত cross pollination হয় কেতিয়াবা 5% cross pollination হয়, and this 5% can exceed up to 30%. So সেইবোৰ plants কোৱা হয় often cross-pollinated crops. Okay. Next question, plants can be made disease resistant by. Right answer is option A, crossing with distant relatives. So distant relatives naibha wild relatives borer genetic diversity besi thake aru hiator kisman useful genes thake, for example genes for disease resistance. So these can be exploited by crossing with the cultivated varieties. Okay. Next question, progeny of a single homozygous self-pollinated plant is. Here right answer is option B, pure line. Khube important question ahi thake etu porikhat. What is a pure line? Pure line is the progeny of a single homozygous self-pollinated plant. Homozygous boli kole ami buju je the plants are of the same genetic constitution. Okay, tar mane hoise homozygous. Next question, pure line selection is. Options for is a method of improving self-pollinated crops, a method of improving cross-pollinated crops, a method of accumulating favorable genes. And here right answer is option A, method of improving self-pollinated crops. So pure line selection is based only on self-pollinated crops. Okay. Next question, haploid plants can be obtained by culturing. So haploid plants for ki culture korile pam ami. Options for is pollen grains, young buds, root tips. Okay, here right answer is option A, pollen grains. Karon pollen grains purer ploidy level is N. Okay, they are haploids because pollen grains are the product of meiosis. Okay, meiosis or product hole they have N set of chromosomes, so they are haploids. So pollen grains for jeti culture kora hoy to definitely we will get haploid plants. Okay, young buds and root tips purer ploidy level is twice n, they are diploids. Okay. Next question, physical basis of life is. बहुत important question, exam ot ahi thake question to. Right answer is option D, protoplasm. Then next question, cross between two closely related individuals. Two closely related individuals are cross. What is the answer? Right answer is option A, inbreeding. Okay, this is called inbreeding. যেতিয়া cross between two individuals that are not closely related. If not closely related hoy, answer hobo outcross. Okay. Next question, which method of breeding is not used for plant improvement? Options বোৰ হৈছে hybridization, mutation, inbreeding. ইয়াৰে right answer হৈছে option C, inbreeding. So hybridization is definitely a method of breeding, okay, for crop improvement. Inbreeding is not a method used for crop improvement. Okay, this is not a method of crop improvement. Kyo hoy? Karan in basically inbreeding korile plants poror in decreased vigor hoy, decreased growth hoy, decreased fertility hoy because of the combined effect of the harmful genes of the parents which were in the recessive condition. Okay, parents or more harmful genes asile recessive condition asile yotor combined effect to dekha jay due to inbreeding aru tar pholat plants poror ki hoy progeny poror decreased vigor hoy aru less fertility hoy. Okay, so this is not for crop improvement. Next question, main objective of plant breeding is improvement in quality, development of resistant varieties, development of high yielding varieties. Are you right? Answer is all of this. Okay, A, B and C, these are all objectives of plant breeding. Next question, the term heterosis means, heterosis mane ki buji pao? Right answer is option A, superiority of the F1 over the parents. Okay, so F1 is a cross between two parents, that is into first generation is F1, A F1 to how superior F1 is in respect to one parent or in respect to both the parents. Okay, take koa hoy heterosis. Cross between OPV and pure line is, OPV mane ase open pollinated variety aru pure line ere cross to ki boli koy? Right answer is option D, top cross. Eto monot rakhibo, khub ahi thake exam ot, what is top cross. Next question, cross between F1 and one of the parent, F1 and one of the parent ere right answer is option B, back cross. Okay, so same cross to ami jodi dhoru, so F1 to jodi cross kora hoy with either parent 2 or parent 1, etuke koa hoy back cross. Next question, mass selection is applicable for, mass selection to, it's a method of crop improvement. Kihor kane kuntu plants are applicable hoy? Self pollinated plants, cross pollinated plants. Your right answer is option C, A and B. Okay, so both self and cross pollinated plants are kane mass selection kora hoy. Next question, mass selection is based on, kihor upor base kori mass selection kora hoy? Genotype, phenotype, heritability. Your right answer is option B, phenotype. Okay, so plants bilakor physical appearance or uporte select kora hoy in mass selection. Next question, triploids are normally, triploids poror ploidy level ki hobo? 3N. Okay, tricen is the ploidy level of triploids. So triploids por sterile, fertile, male sterile. Your right answer is option A, sterile. So triploids bilak sterile hoy, yote bongkho bridhi koribo nware. Next question, critical is a, so critical is a man-made crop hoy aru etu eta cross hoy between wheat and rye. Okay, so what type of cross is this? Intergeneric cross, interspecific cross, interspecific cross. Okay, your right answer is option A, intergeneric cross. Next question, modern wheat varieties are, options photo and thermo insensitive, photo insensitive, thermo insensitive. Your right answer is option A, photo and thermo insensitive. So photo and thermo insensitive hole late planting or kaneo suitable hoy. So ajikali modern wheat varieties puro non traditional areas bilakoto cultivation kore. Okay, so modern wheat varieties are both photo and thermo insensitive. Next question, center of origin was given by, kone disile center of origin? Right answer is option A, Vavilov. So center of origin mane hoise geographical location or geographical area jot plants show more diversity. Okay, so these are termed as center of origin. So and this center of origin was given by Vavilov. So these were some questions on plant breeding. Video to sai keneko lagile janabo, jodi bhal lagise useful boli bhabe please share with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.